Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning! Ay, yung asawa ko na nagulat kasi nakahubad. Anyway guys, good morning! So ngayon maglalaba po ako, look. Ito yung file ng labahan ko po, no? Yung basket po doon. But anyway, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Maglalaba lang po ako kasi yun na laman yung gawain natin guys, labadami. So, dahil Sabado po ngayon, maglinis po ako guys. Umalis lang siya guys kasi may inspection siya sa sa sasakyan niya. Nagpa-appointment siya kahapon, 'di ba? So, appointment lang and then yun pa, balik. Madali lang dito kasi malapit lang sa bahay. Yun, malapit lang sa bahay yung kung saan siya car inspection.
So we know.
He's home.
So they did inspect it and I told him, look, see what, he broke it down for me. He says, you know, to do the front brakes and that. He says, you know, I just did the front brakes. He said that the rotor's warped again. He said, you probably shouldn't buy it from Amazon. You should probably go to auto parts store and everything.
It's already done?
What?
It's already broken?
They're warped again. That's why it's shaking.
Oh, that's freaking brand new.
I know. He says, because I told him, look, because that's $350 just for him to do the brakes. I said, look, I can do the brakes, save myself that money.
And where are you gonna buy it?
He says, yeah, but he says, do yourself a favor, get the parts from like the Advanced Auto Parts or something over here.
And how much you think?
I don't know, but the other stuff I can't do, and they'll do. So I told him, you know, look into it because that's another.
So they don't pass you?
No, he did pass me, but he's been done. So I said, all right, so see what the parts are going to cost, and we said parts and labor with the brakes, without the steering, because they can't reach anybody at Toyota to find out the steering is $950.
Shit.
All right, so take $350 off for the brakes. That's $600 plus whatever the steering is going to be. So we'll probably be back to about $1,000.
Oh my god.
Well, I knew. You know, it's been going on for how many years now? So I know. It's not like a surprise to me. But, you know, the car's got 210,000 miles on it. Seriously? How do you expect?
10,000? 100?
210.
210?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Your car has what? 28?
No, I don't know. 50?
I got like 10 times the mileage your car has. That Lexus only has 14.
Yeah.
So I got like 20 times the mileage that car has. So yeah, you know, you guys.
So what is your next
So that's just wear and tear. So he's gonna order the parts. He said they'll call on Monday. They'll see about ordering the parts in, and then we'll schedule an appointment for it. Okay. So in the meantime, he inspected it because otherwise, inspection expires in May. So I gotta be able to drive. I said, look, you know, I've been driving like, I mean, this is not a surprise to me. I know. I drive the car, so it's been like this. It's not like it affects, you know, it affects how I drive because I know the car and how it reacts. And he said, you know, it's fine.
Hun, you just come home. It's full, hun. This water thing here. Look, this is who he. This is who he is, guys. When he get home, enter the house, the first thing he do is refill everything. He's a refill guy. That's what I said. We're gonna in the Philippines. We're gonna have a laundry mat and then a refilling station. Okay guys, linisin po natin itong refrigerator para naman lagyan natin ng soda. So kailangan lang siya lagyan ng soda para para sa summer meron tayong mainom kung sinong gustong uminom. So, ngayon ilagay na natin ito dito. Hindi lang natin siya ilagay lahat kasi alam na this. Coke. Like yung Coke. And then yung itong Minute Maid lemonade. And then ginger ale. And then yung paborito ni Tami na root beer. And then Diet Coke. So yun lang yung ilagay natin dito. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos. Ito na guys, ilagay na natin. Pero napagplanuhan ko na hindi ko na lang sila ilagay lahat kasi para naman may space sa ibang gamit or gusto ng beer kasi may mga beer din ako sa basement, so kailangan ko siyang dalhin sa ibabaw sa labas para naman ma-display natin at mainom kapag magtambay-tambay tayo sa labas, di ba? So anyway, so Yun guys, sana andito kayo para enjoy tayo dito sa labas ng bahay. Maganda kasi dito magtambay, lalo na pag mahangin-hangin kunti. Ang sarap magtambay. Halina kayo! Oh, yun siya guys. Ito yung mini refrigerator natin dito sa labas. Yun lang yung nilagay ko muna kasi hindi ko ito ilagay lahat. Kasi po guys, alam nyo na ayaw kong masyadong maraming soda kasi gusto ko lagyan ng beer dito. And then pwede kasi dito din malagyan ng mga pagkain kapag yung may bisita tayo, di ba? Maginaw konti. Guys, nakakatawa guys. Alam nyo bakit? Tayong Filipino, ayaw natin magpainit, ayaw natin sobrang itim. Iwan ko, gano'n na natin nationality. Pero itong mga ito, lalaki man or babae, mahilig magbabad. So ngayon, ito yung pinaka first mainit na araw. And din yung kapitbahay namin guys, doon na nagtihaya na guys. Nagtihaya na yung kapitbahay namin guys. Gusto nang umitim. So ngayon, kapag ako yung magtihaya doon, isang araw lang guys, para akong sinangag. So yun, lang ako, natawa ba? Kasi, para akong sinangag kung magpunta ako doon sa init. And then, nandun sila sa pool, swimming pool nila. Natawa. Bago po tayo maglinis, guys. Ko lang, i-transfer ko itong mga lupa na hindi magagamit. Ilagay dito. Yung asawa ko, nangapit bahay na naman. Nandun, hinahanap ko, nandun na naman sa kapitbahay. Yung asawa ko, mahilig mga kapitbahay. O sa Pilipinas pa yan, Maritis. Iwan ko na lang. Ando na. Naghanap na yung asawa. Nawawala na pala. Daming basura guys. Yung garden ko sa basement. Ito yung kamatis. Hindi nag-work. So. So, ngayon guys, hugasan natin itong grill para naman madali siyang hugasan. Isok pala natin na ibabad sa tubig. Yun pala yun, ibabad sa tubig para madali siyang hugasan kasi last year pa itong nagamit. Hinilinis naman natin pero alam nyo na, last year pa yan. So, kailangan talaga nating kuskusin. Pasensya na kayo sa mukha ko ha. Linisin ko lang ito para ilagay natin itong mga soda. Dahil meron po tayong refrigerator na maliit sa labas, bakit hindi natin gamitin, di ba? So, ngayon, napagdesisyonan kong lagyan natin ng soda para pag summer na sobrang init talaga, meron tayong makukuhang maginaw na inumin. Dahil gusto tayong maglinis, so guys, kinuha namin yung cushion, madumi kasi. So, ang gagawin ko is, natin siya. Hugasan. Kasi ang dumi-dumi. Ito, labhan po. Labhan po namin ito. Disprehan ko ito, nagpakuha ako ng tami ng refill. Kasi kailangan siyang isprehan and then i-brush ko na lang siya. So yan yung gawanap namin guys kasi mainit namin guys. Sobrang init. I'll do it. I'm the one doing it. What, do you need that? Tignan nyo naman. Ang init kasi ngayon. What is the temperature, Han? 90, right?
Yeah.
90 degree ngayon. Kaya,
Still going up.
it's still going up, guys. Ay, nako. Ang daming anik. So, yun. Ako yung nagtatrabaho dito. Yun, kinuha yung trabaho ko. Pero ako na mamaya yung mag-brush nito. Kasi nakakaloka itong asawa ko. Ako yung nabuboryo. Kailangan kong may magawa. You gonna kill your back?
Not cleaner. You're supposed to bring your laundry yourself and clean it. This is for spots.
I know, but you said it will get the stain out.
That's why you spray it on the heavy spots, but you still gotta use a regular laundry cleaner to clean it.
Yeah. Okay.
This is not laundry soap.
Yeah, you go inside. I'll do the rest. Nagkat doon na sobra. You gonna wash it? Okay. Gusto ko pag may gagawin talaga ako, makijuwin talaga ito. Yan na guys. Isusok muna natin yan. Mamaya na natin yan i-brush. Kasi gusto ko siyang i-brush manually. Ayaw ko nito kasi makasira yan ang kuwan ko. Every year na lang namin ito ginagamit. Masisira yan. Kaya po ginawa ko ito guys sa paglilinis na ganito. Manual. Kasi po gusto kong maigalaw yung katawan ko. Kahit sobrang init talaga sa labas. Sabi pa ni Tami, gamitin daw niya yung pressure washer. Pero sabi ko wag na kasi madali itong masira. So kaya yun sabi ko, kailangan ko lang talagang igalaw itong katawan ko kahit sobrang init. Kasi sabi ko, naalala ko talaga yung gawain namin sa Pilipinas. Maglaba ang dami. So kaya kuskus balungos po tayo dito guys. Pero ang saya naman kasi kailangan ko talaga din itong gawin para magagamit ko itong mga upuan. Kasi yun na, alam nyo na marami tayong puwet. Akala nyo, isa lang yung puwet ko, di ba? Ang dami kong puwet, guys. O, di ba? Kahit saan tayo nakaupo dito. Yeah. Here's to the good days. Here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Napagod ako sa labas. Yung likod ko sobrang basa, katawan, paningot, sobrang init, uy. So kain lang ako ng apple kasi hindi ako nag-lunch kasi. God, it's hot. Oof. Grabe ang init sa labas, guys. Pag open pa lang itong door na ito. Yan, nilabhan niya yung isang cover. Naghanap siya kung saan niya pwedeng ilagay. Isip-isip. What happened?
I hang them inside.
Okay.
So if I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna hang them outside. So I put them over the chair on the inside, but the chair.
It is really hot, right? Hi guys, so ngayon guys, hindi na ako luto ng, hindi na ako nagluto kasi pagod na. So ito yung niluto ni Tami noong March 21 na chicken, nilagay niya sa freezer. And then of course, he made some sauce. So kaya dinifrost ko siya. This is our din, yung dinner namin. He's making dinner. Because we both hungry. Put in this side. So this is the thing, guys.
It could be a regular little skinny knife.
Yeah, that's what I
This is not
said.
really working this anymore.
That's what I said. Never, never. That's what I said. Hi, guava.
Guava? I'm a fruit. I'm a fruit. Fruit?
Guapoy. Oh my goodness, walang upuan si Tami. Andito na yun, guys, yung nilabhan namin.
Should have took that rack from the closet.
Yeah.
Put it out here on those other two things out here.
Why?
Hang them on the rack that we tried out.
Which rack?
The one that we put in the closet. The one from the room in our shop.
Oh. So ngayon guys, i-in ko na tong vlog. Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi ako nakapag-continue kanina doon sa labas kasi sobrang init talaga, grabe. So ngayon dito na ako sa loob, nakapagbihis na tayo, nakapagligo na tayo dito sa baba. So yan kasi sobrang init, kailangan kong mag-half bath. So yan. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Sobrang init pa rin, lumabas ako doon, pinalabas ko yung aso. Ano na ngayon, 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Pinalabas namin yung aso and then sobrang init pa rin sa labas. Parang yung humid ba, sobra grabe. Pero salamat guys sa pagsama sa video na ito and I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget sa pag-follow, pag-like, and pag-share. Thank you guys so much. Bye! See you tomorrow!